Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video I am going to share you guys how I style an outfit with this beautiful Celine drawstring bag. I think it would be fun to style an outfit based on your bag, and I don't really see people doing this, so I think it would be fun to share you guys how I style an outfit with this bag. And also, before we get into the styling portions, I also want to talk a little bit more about this beautiful Celine drawstring bag because I've seen some video about this drawstring bag. I really want to express how amazing this bag is. So yeah, we're going to talk about that a little bit before we get started. And also I want to show you guys what is fit inside, what I usually carrying with. This bag is actually my most favorite go-to bag. I use this almost every single day. It's very practical, very nice. I can match with a lot of outfits. It has enough space for me to put all of my essential in, so I really love that. Made with the canvas is in Celine prints. As you can see, the leather is in the tan color. The hardware is in gold finish, and there is only one big compartment inside. There is nothing on that, no pocket. But I would say it fits a lot of stuff, so I don't really mind about not having any pockets. I don't really worry too much about this bag, so yeah, it's pretty good. Very practical. As I said, there is an adjustable strap on the other side, which I think is very nice. I usually use it on the first hold. It's hang in a perfect positions that I like. One thing I really like about this bag is that you can leave the string this loose and it can fit more stuff. And if you wanna kind of tie the string, it's also give you a different shape. But usually I like to leave it loose like this so I can easily grab the things. That is how I usually leave it like this. Now I'm gonna show you guys my daily essential. It's all right here. So we are going to start with this Dossier perfume. Dossier is one of my most favorite perfume. Before we continue, I want to talk a little bit more about Dossier. Dossier is kind enough to send me this perfume to try on, and I want to talk a little bit about Dossier. Dossier is an online perfume company that reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at an affordable price. They have a risk-free system allowing customers to try the perfume before committing to them, and if you don't like the perfume, the scents, you can definitely return it within 30 days, which I think that is very fair. What I really like about Dossier perfume is that they are vegan and cruelty-free, UV filter-free, paraben-free, which is safe for your body. You can shop for men, for women, unisex, or you can make a quiz for the best sense of yourself. Dossier has a welcome offer up to 20% off, and if you use with my code RADA10, you will be able to get an extra 10% off, so it will be 30% off at the total, which I think that is very good deal. And yeah, if you are interested, don't forget to check them out. They are very good quality, I promise. I even give one perfume to my husband Robert, and he loved it so much. I pick out the Ambery Vanilla, and this one is actually inspired by YSL Black Opium's Uda perfume, and this smell is actually the best. I love this smell so much. It actually has some kind of sweet smell, which I really love. I can smell the vanilla first, but it doesn't give you a very strong smell, you know what I mean? It actually contains a lot of ingredients, and if you're curious, you can look up on the instructions. They will tell you an ingredients and all that. This is actually the perfect scents I ever have, so I'm so excited using this. I also pick out the other scents as well. This one is actually the Woody Oak Moss. It's come in the box like this, very minimalist. This Woody Oak Moss is actually inspired by Chanel Coco Mademoiselle Eau perfume. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this have a stronger smell than this one, and I definitely love it. It's very interesting as well. It's give you like a dinner night out kind of vibe, and this one, Ambery Vanilla, is more like everyday finished look, something like that. Yeah, if you are interested, don't forget to check them out, and you can use my code RADA10 to get an extra 10% off. I think that is a very amazing deal. Yeah, let's get back into our video. I have the Ambery Vanilla. It's my most favorite scent at this moment, so yep, definitely my to-go. I do have the sunglasses. I put it in the case and it's actually from Target. I usually have a sunglasses just for pictures, so yeah, this is my favorite sunglasses. I also have my wallet. This is a YSL envelope wallet. I love this size. The look is really sleek and very classic. They have 1 big compartment and 4 card slots on the interior, which I think they carry a lot of cards and other pockets in the back, which I love. I also have my makeup bag. I use this YSL dust bag as a makeup bag because why not? It's pretty cute. So yeah, I have all my essential makeup here, especially the lipstick, concealer, the brush cream, and the powder. I have the alcohol gel right over here, the airport, just to use it when I need it. I also have my car key right here. And the last thing I have is this iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's very huge and you guys can see I fit all of this stuff in my bag. We are going to put everything back. I put every single of my essentials in it and it's fit pretty well. So now you guys kind of have an idea what fit inside. Now let's get to the styling portion.